Yeah, bitch ass back for real, for real.
Sir. Arrest her! Arrest her! Well, I bet you can't arrest me. You too kind.
And tonight, DJ, we're going to do you the biggest honor of them all. I am asking our new Secret Service Director, Sean Curran, to officially make you an agent of the United States Secret Service.
Welcome back, Meek Prophet here. As you can see in this video, this young man was harassed and was clowned by a group of uncivilized black women, making fun of his uniform. As we found out last night when he was honored by President Trump, he had been fighting for his life battling cancer, and his dreams is to become a police officer. The barbaric display that you saw from these women represents the norm for black women in media today, whether they are educated or not. We have a lot of ignorant, evil people among us, especially among black women. The media loves to promote these people into relevancy as the representatives of all black women, because unfortunately, nobody will correct them for their bad behavior. Isaiah 32 verse 9 and 10, Rise up, ye women that are at ease. Hear my voice, ye careless daughters. Give ear unto my speech. Many days and years shall ye be troubled, ye careless women. For the vintage shall fail, the gathering shall not come. The black woman in America is very careless and disrespectful, but not for long, because once trouble come here in this place, many of them will either get their act together or perish.